I am going to be showing you how to use Google Documents from your Google Drive. So if you have a Google account, just log in, and then you're going to want to go to your Google Drive. And today we're going to be working with showing you how to share your documents and work together. So here you have your drive, and this has all the files that are on your actual drive. So these are the things that you can access at all times. Then there is this shared with me section, and those are the things that other people have shared specifically with you. So if I go over here to create, I can make a document. We'll label this document sample document. So here I can write stuff. But now the main idea here was to share it with someone. So up here there's this blue share button with a little lock on it, and I'm going to click on that. So here it shows that it's private and the only person with access to it is me right now. So you can change this so that different people have access to it. This is my Fresno State account, so these two things show up, but you won't see those. Typically there's the public on the web or the anyone with a link button, but I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to share it with someone specific, specifically my other email address. So here, and then you can change if you want to just share it with them to view or to comment on it, or I'm going to have it so we can edit it. I unclicked this button because I don't want to get a bunch of emails, so I click that. So now it's shared. So if I come over here, I just did a Control R for a refresh, and here it is. So if I click on it, I can see what the other person has written. Up the top here, you can see who else is actually looking at the document. So now you notice if I go in here, on the other person's screen, it shows where my cursor is. So a good thing to do when you're working on these documents is to hit enter a few times, or return if you're a Mac user. This way you can kind of work in your own separate groups and you don't end up writing on top of each other, because if I go over here and click here and start writing, it can ruin the other person's line. So that's just a regular document. Now something you want to be careful about is, see here is my document is right here. So here it's actually in my drive, but over here, as this person shared it with me, it's only here. So if I accidentally wait and don't copy it over to my drive, let's go ahead and do that. So to copy it to your drive, you literally just, I click down with my cursor, and then I'm just going to drag it over here. So it says it's been added to my drive. If I click on it, it's right there. Well, I did this earlier, so there's two of them. But now, if I hadn't done that, and the person who originated the document, say they delete it, it will go away. So it's a good idea to transfer any important things that are shared with you into your drive.